Hello there and welcome to Putnut's Kitchen. My name is Steve, aka Putnut, and what we try to do here is make original content. If you'd like to be able to make recipes that you won't find anywhere else, this is the place for you. That's right, we don't take other people's recipes and call them our own. We make our own recipes and call them our own because that's what they are. So if you'd like original low-carb recipes that you can serve to your family or that you can have for yourself, please stay tuned to our channel. Give us a like. Those thumbs up are important. And if you really enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel because that's also important. Things you'll find here on Putnut's Kitchen, we have a lot of different kinds of low-carb bread. We have ice cream. We have cheesecake. We have reviews of Sola bread and Ray's barbecue sauce, among other things. Be sure and visit the comments section. Leave us a note. Let us know what we did right. Let us know what we did wrong. And let us know what you'd like to see next. We thank you so much for your viewing. And we thank you so much for all the time you spend with us here at Putnut's Kitchen.